Paano ba maging isang online English teacher? Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About ESL. This is Teacher Rian and I've been in the industry for more than 8 years now. And if you're new or want to be an ESL teacher, this video is for you. First thing you need to consider when you want to enter, when you want to be an ESL teacher is yourself. You need to have a self-assessment. Like, you say, kaya ko ba to? Kaya ko ba to? You ask yourself, kaya ko ba ang long hours facing the computer? Kaya ko bang magpuyat? Kaya ko bang magturo ng mga bata? Kaya ko bang magturo ng mga adults in a different nationality? You need to ask yourself about that. Kaya ba ng English power ko? You need to really assess your English proficiency if you can teach. You need to assess your confidence if you can teach. Kasi kahit na may good command in English and then you don't have the confidence to deliver the lesson. So, hindi saktong Ricardo's ang mai-offer mo sa ESL work. You need to really have a good dose of confidence and sapat na baon ng English. Right? Kasi when I started, masasabi ko lang, I'm not good in English. Like, Carabao English, kumbaga. Because I do have a lot of confidence. Kasi given naman yung mga lessons, given yung lessons ng most of the companies make their own lessons and give it to teacher. The materials are given to teachers. And then basic English like parts of speech, verb to be like phrasal verbs. And then mostly kids, they start with level 0. They learn sounds and letters and colors. So basic, very basic. Next na pag-uusapan natin is ang requirements. Ano ba ang kailangan ng isang online ESL teacher? First and number 1 on the list is you need to have a laptop or desktop. But recommended ko yung laptop. Kasi in case of brownout, you can still teach. Kung desktop, you don't have any chance at all to teach unless kung meron kang backup battery or backup genset. I'm pretty sure agree dito ang mga teachers invest to laptop. Next thing to have is internet. You need to have a wired internet connection. That's the way to connect your students. It's very important. And 20 Mbps up. So may mga 100 Mbps na ngayon na mura kaysa nung una. 15 to 20 Mbps. Ang mahal-mahal. Ngayon, marami ng murang internet connection. You just need to choose the right internet for your location. Next is you need to have a headset. Tingnan mo yung headset ko. This is Logitech. It costs 700 or more or less 700, and I'm still using it up until now for more than 3 years. For more than 3 years na siya. So wala na yung foam niya. Ito na lang ginagamit ko, but very effective in reducing the background noises. And partner niya yung card reader. But if wala ka pang naipundar, wala ka pang pera pampuhunan ng headset, you can still borrow. You can borrow from your friends. Kung may mga noise cancelling headset, ibili mo ng noise cancelling headset yung first na sahod mo. That's it for this episode of Let's Talk About ESL. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, just comment down below. I will cater your questions and I'll try to answer your inquiries about ESL. If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you again, teachers. Bye!